Xoretech. Xoretech.
Police. Today we're going to be looking at a clean and easy way to handle user inputs in Python. Now let's say we have an ATM and you want to prompt your users, right, to either input if they want to deposit money into the ATM or do they want to withdraw money from the ATM. So we have these two functions. We have the do deposit and we have the do withdrawal, right? So now you want your user, right, to type in deposit, right? And you want to fetch one of these functions, right? So that they can do a deposit or do a withdrawal. So how are you going to make this possible? I'm about to show you a very cool trick that Python has. So Python has what we call a match case statement, right? A match case statement. Let me show you. So we start by writing the first half of the match case statement, which is match, right? And then followed by input of the user. So this is where we're going to receive the user's input, store it in the user memory space, in the input memory space. So this is what the user is going to be displayed with, right? Are we doing a deposit or a withdrawal? Question mark, space. Now, as you can see, our match has a red line underneath it. So to activate the second half of our match case statement, you need to add a colon, next line, write your case statement with the option, right? So this is if this is the case of withdrawal, no, the case of deposit. So let's say the user types in he wants to deposit or she wants to deposit, right? So our compiler is going to activate this case, right? So to end off this case, we need to also add a colon, right? Next line. So what is Python going to do? Python has to go and activate this function, right? So let's do that. So let's say do deposit, right? Do deposit. Then now we also have to have an option of withdrawal, right? Let's say he wants to withdraw. He doesn't want to deposit, but actually wants to withdraw his money. So we're going to say case, case, double quotation marks, withdrawal, right? Same as this one, same. Ended with a colon, right? And then now we also have to go and fetch the function. So do underscore withdrawal. And then now we have both of our functions, do withdrawal, do deposit. But now let's say our user, right? Humans make mistakes. So what happens if the user makes a mistake? We have to have a case for that possibility, all right? So let's say he types in something that's invalid. For that case, we need to just add our underscore followed by our colon, right? And then go to our next line to say print, double quotation marks, invalid input, try again. So now let's run our code. Run code. Code is running. do deposit or withdrawal. I want to withdraw. Doing withdrawal, right? Okay, let's say now we want to deposit. Do deposit or withdrawal. I want to deposit money. I want to deposit, enter. And then our ATM is gonna go to the next stage whereby we're gonna do it when we're doing a deposit, right? But now let's say I tapped in the wrong thing, right? Let's say now I tapped this, right? Enter. Invalid input. Try again. So you can see how helpful this block of code is. You can already see how powerful and helpful it is. Understand? The match case statement. Hopefully you learn this code. Hopefully you implement this code in your future coding with Python. Happy coding.